Hi, it's Johannes from Noisebud, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up Ableton Live with Purr-Fect. So let's dig into it. Here's Ableton Live, and I have already set up a track with some audio, and I have loaded a EQ, and I want Purr-Fect to level compensate this EQ. I can put more effects here or other effects too. It doesn't matter. It will be the same. It will work gain compensated. And in Ableton 11, I recommend that you use a return track. So we're gonna insert a return track. This is the track where we're gonna put Purr-Fect. So I'm gonna drag Purr-Fect to the return track. So Purr-Fect is loaded. That's good. I'm gonna put the master on silent, but I'm gonna play audio just so that we can use the check feature and see that if we have the signals that we need. Okay, so in the little box that comes in Ableton that is connected with the Purr-Fect plugin, we're gonna choose the sidechain. And we're gonna pick the audio from channel 1 as our sidechain in Purr-Fect. This is the signal that's gonna control the level. And we can see that I have a sidechain input. The LED starts to, it turns green. And the sidechain needs to be dry. We need the dry signal. That means that we need to send the audio from channel 1 before the EQ that I inserted on the channel. And you do that down here. So we have already choose the channel 1 and we set it to pre-FX. That will give us a dry signal. So that's the sidechain. That's good. We're almost there. Now we need to send the wet signal to the main input of Purr-Fect 2. So to achieve that, we do it like this. We choose Audio 2 and set that to sends only. And I'm gonna max the send. We just have one send here. So this will send the audio from channel 1 to the main input of Purr-Fect because I'm sending it to the return track A. And you can see that the LED turns green. So now we both have an input and we have the sidechain. And the signal doesn't match. We can make them match by disable the EQ because the EQ affected one signal. So there was a difference between the signals. So there we go. All LEDs are green. So that means that Purr-Fect is working. So let's try that. I'm gonna put the level not on max because that will hurt your ears. And here we go. Hit play. And it's level compensated. And you can see that Purr-Fect works by if I hit the pre button, we will hear the dry signal. And this is the EQ'd signal, level compensated. And you can listen to the deltas as well. So that's how you use Purr-Fect in Ableton Live 11. And as you can see, you just need one track and a return track, which makes it easier than the setup that I showed you earlier in Ableton 9. Because that's it's a little bit more complicated. They have made it easier. So that's it. And stay tuned because there are a couple of new plugins coming up. I'm working with 2 different low-end compressors that are, they're really cool. They are, I'm not gonna say too much. Wait for when I release them. I can promise you this, though, that you will love them. Okay, have a good week, and I see you again soon. Bye bye.